Chapter 13, translation. Okay, en tant que professeur, je vous dis d'étudier. So, en tant que professeur, that can mean as a professor, in my professional role of a professor, as a professor, I am telling you to study. Je vous dis d'étudier, I say to you to study. Vous is the indirect object. Il en a besoin. So, il a besoin, that's from avoir besoin, to need. He needs it. So it's always il a besoin de something. So that's why there's an en. He needs it. Parles en. So here we have an imperative with the pronoun stuck at the end. So this means talk, and then this replaces de plus something. So talk about it. J'en ai cinq. I have 5 of them. We don't know what they are, but I have 5 of them. Il habite en France. He lives in France. And this final sentence, there's a whole bunch of different ens. Elle n'en a pas besoin. So here we've got en as a pronoun. She has not of them. So she doesn't have any. Elle n'en a pas. She doesn't have any of them. She doesn't have any. En raison de, because of, ses enfants en Allemagne, her children in Germany. She doesn't have any because of her children in Germany.